In this video, I will show you how to use Nokia 5110 LCD with ESP32 Nano board. ESP32 Nano board will work at 3.3 voltage logic and Nokia 5110 LCD also will work at 3.3 voltage logic. So it will work perfectly. But do not connect Nokia 5110 LCD with Arduino UNO or Nano board. It will damage your LCD device. Please watch full video to make this project. Copy the text and paste in Library Manager. Clearly check the version of the library in the video and install the same version of the library. Sometime updated library may create problem. Install ESP32 with Arduino board manager, not expressive board. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.